Lyteglass tempered glass screen protector, which is currently available on the iPhone X and all of the new iPhones that just came out this year, such as the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone XR. And today we're going to learn on how to install it on an iPhone X. So let's get started. So it comes with a thank you card, an installation guide, which I will be showing to you guys the process of how to install the screen protector with the frame, 3 wet and dry wipes, a microfiber cloth, and some guide stickers for installation. And here's the frame. And so since we have the frame, we don't really need the guide stickers. The frame would pretty much guide us throughout this whole process. As you can see here, it will just fit on your iPhone X perfectly like that. 3 glass protectors. Step 2, which is wiping the phone down with the wet wipes and the dry wipes. Rip off the pink packaging, which is the number 2, which is the dry wipe. So actually, I know I mentioned before that we have the frame. We don't really need the guide sticker, but what we actually really need on this third step is the dust absorber, which is just a piece of sticker that will literally take off any dust particles off the screen. But the fourth step would be actually taking the screen protector itself. My biggest suggestion for this is to making sure the screen sticker is actually facing down, just like that. Alright, so step 5 is actually using the frame tool, and you're going to place it on top of the phone. And so after that, you're just going to put the screen protector on like this, just like that, and then you slowly apply to the phone screen. Final step, you just press the center of the screen, just like that, and you can see the effect of just tapping it in the middle. And if this happens and this side doesn't adhere to the screen easily, you can just tap in the middle over there. And once everything's adhered, you're going to take off the frame tool and you're going to check your phone, inspect any air and bubbles, and if you see any, you're just going to squeeze it out. And voila! The installation process is done. As you can see here, everything's perfect. No misaligned edges, no air bubbles, no dust, and it's perfect. Alright, so that concludes today's installation process. You can find Lyteglass on Amazon, or you can click the link down below, which I'll be providing down in the description box, and you can get yourself a pair of Lyteglass screen protector. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a great day.